Good morning, my friends. Do not mind the noise. It's another day, and it is the day that is launching Chanel's Metiers collection. So we're gonna go to the Chanel boutique. I'm super excited. Let's see what they have. Have a few bags that I have been eyeing. In fact, I put a little poll on my Instagram to see if you could help me select the one. There's a couple that I'm eyeing, but let's go and take a look and see what I end up getting. But let's do an outfit check. I'm in Mia's room right now, so let me just turn. Don't mind any kind of teenage mess. It's not too much of a mess. This is my outfit of the day. This little top, I got it from Mango. The pants, I honestly don't remember. If I remember, I will certainly let you know. Bag from Chanel, 22 in the size small. Chanel shoes. My Chanel new sunnies, and yeah, let's just go. We have arrived to our destination. Let's go to see what they have at Chanel. Back in my car, and that only means a car unboxing. Well, not really a car unboxing, but let's do a Chanel unboxing. I ended up picking up from this new Chanel Metiers collection. It's something that in a way I knew about it, but almost at the very end, and I added on my wish list. You know, friends, I had a few bags on my collection. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I put a poll because I had a few bags that I was eyeing and I wasn't sure which one to get. I honestly wanted to see them obviously in person and see the entire collection in person, which I have to say that I was really impressed about this collection. I didn't thought I was going to be impressed, to be honest with you. The runway wasn't impressive, but seeing the pieces in person, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this red wool jacket. My goodness. And in general, there were so many pieces from this collection that they were just stunning. Honestly, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. My gosh, I tried even some pieces of jewelry that they are not from the collection. They are high-end jewelry from the Camellia line that I'm just like, oh, so in love. You know, my friends, I do have a pair of earrings from the Camellia line that I absolutely adore. And this necklace now is haunting me in my dreams. But anyhow, to what you came here for, the unboxing, what in the world I got from this collection, as you can tell, It's a box. Oh, and then the boutique manager, she was so sweet. We were talking about jewelry and whatnot, and she gave me this Chanel style guide with so many pieces of jewelry. My goodness. I'm in trouble now. I'm in trouble. But anyhow, friends, what I got here? This unbox it. Let's take off that little camellia. Can you guess? You can guess. That would be great. I love that kind of participation. I love to see what are your guesses. And then you let me know, hey, I guessed right, I guessed wrong, or which of all the things that you saw on this vlog were the ones that, oh, you shouldn't have gotten these or that and whatnot. From this collection, what else did I saw? There were not that many shoes, honestly. I was looking more into boots and I didn't saw any boots that I want. Not that I need boots right now because we're entering in some, but I'm just thinking ahead for the next season. Oh my gosh. Now by the bag you will know. You then will know if it's a seasonal bag or a classic flap. Yes, can you guys? I can, yeah, you can see it is a seasonal bag. But which seasonal bag is? I think you can see which one it is. Oh my gosh, it is a mini Chanel 22. But the one from this season has this beautiful pearl chain with the CC logo. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I personally think that this one strikes more than the first one that came out in the mini that had all a pearl chain, because this just has, it's just a little bit more jazz up. You have the pearls, but you have the CC, so it's not a full strand of pearls. You have to tell me, what are your thoughts? What do you think? You know, friends, how much I love my Chanel 22 bag. And to be honest, I was debating to take another Chanel 22 in black. Although I know a Chanel 22 small, which is the size that I like. They make it every single season. But this one is special. This is so special. I need to take this off. I need to take the plastic off right here, but isn't it, she's so pretty, she's so beautiful. I tried it. It's a little bit long if I wanted to use it just on one shoulder. If it's crossbody, it's perfect. One of the main difference here too is that it doesn't have a closure like the regular Chanel 22, so I have to see how it goes. But my husband said too, this is a very everyday casual kind of bag that you can even dress it up. You can actually fix the chain so you can carry it like this, top handle style. And there's a way that I think it's just by rolling up all the strap, I can make double straps and carry it as a shoulder bag too. I think it's just so cute. I think it's so cute and I'm just so excited. I got it in my collection. Price wise, it was $5,400, and I know it's very close to, or the same amount to, the small size. I think this bag is so cute. Let me know what are your thoughts about this bag. To be honest with you, there was another black bag with an adjustable strap with a CC logo in white that it was calling my name, and I was about to change my mind and take that one instead of this one. I don't know, it was so cute, but it looks so much to my mini Chanel bag that I said, you know, let's go for these. And then there was the lilac, but the lilac is different than the previous collection. It's a little bit more blue tone. It just didn't look as cute, and the leather wasn't the best. I mean, to be honest with you, the leather was like, what's this? What's this? But anyhow, friends, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, that you enjoyed coming with me to shop the Chanel Metiers collection. If you like the vlog, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye. We have arrived. Okay. Compose yourself. We'll see. Di ko alam.